people you think will help today? How many did we have last year?
I have no idea how many people they have. They said they have thousands of volunteers.
Is it any plumbing problem? I mean, what do you usually run into? I mean,
trying to safety issues more or less. You know,
okay.
bathrooms that are falling in, and they're rebuilding them, and water heaters, and unsafe gas issues.
Whatever needs to be done, we're doing. Got it. The occurrence at M. Carey is to help the community. This weekend, MLK Day 2015, the M. Carey folks are loading up all trucks, all staff are getting ready to get out into the community and help people who have plumbing needs this weekend. It's something we do every year. All the staff is involved, and it's an annual thing at M. Carey. Loading up pieces, parts, anything we need to help a needy homeowner get their plumbing fixed.